Hey everyone, welcome to the beach with General Sunbeam.
Aloha! Glad you could join us.
Relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy.
Okay, good morning, Texas, USA. So I'm here to do my lunch
You
drop.
have arrived.
I'm here to do my lunch drop route. It's another day, lunch drop Tuesday. I'm here at in this area where I'm overseeing the Alamo Draft House. Let me zoom in right there. The Alamo Draft House, Alamo Draft House Cinema. So I'm here in this area, right around the hotels. To do my lunch drop catering gig, and I'm low on gas. Unfortunately, I'm low on gas because of, you know, politics. I hate politics. This is why I hate feeling affected by politics, because now the gas price is almost $4 a gallon. $4 a gallon at the pump. And I'm doing lunch drop delivery gig. Oh boy. So I'm here on my first pickup at Snow Pea Sushi. Sushi, closed Mondays. Thank you. So we deliver DoorDash. Okay. Go in. Are they open? So here's the menu here at Snow Peas. I mean, I'm here. I don't know if they're open. Oh, they are open. Snow Pea Asian Bistro. So let's go ahead and capture the menu. Ooh, sushi. Alright, so I'm not sure if they're open. But let's see. Oh, they are open. Okay. Okay, so ooh, big giant bottle of Jack Daniels. Reminds me of Epic Mealtime. Epic Mealtime, the Sauce Boss, Muscles glasses, because of Jack Daniels. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and in the content here, in the video recording, this is General Sunbeam here for doing my first pickup here for a lunch drop catering gig. Okay, I finished my first pickup at Snow Pea Sushi Bistro, Snow Pea Asian Sushi Bistro. So here's my second pickup at Tarka Indian Kitchen for my second pickup for lunch drop Tuesday catering gig. Yep, doing lunch drop delivery catering gig, and got the route assigned here in this area. So right next to Happy Rito Seafood, America's Best Contacts and Eyeglasses, and Tarka's Indian Kitchen, right near around the shopping center in this area. Okay, I'm gonna go in, up. I don't know which is the entrance, but all right. Oh. Hello, picking up for Lunchdrop.
Which one?
Yep. That's what I get for doing delivery gigs, catering, Uber Eats, DoorDash, anything that involves driving. It's like being a truck driver. Already running low on gas. And it's in half an hour to drive all the way back to where I came from, to the home residence. Already 45 gas mileage for fuel economy. And now I have to put another $20 and it won't be a full gas tank based on this vehicle. I already got my recent oil change and it cost me almost $500 or $530 altogether with the full vehicle inspection. Got a free rotation. And yep, just putting a lot of mileage on this car doing delivery gigs or catering gigs and all that. So much for the gig economy. Everything's getting too expensive. Gas prices going up $4 a gallon at the pump because of the war in Iran. And it's just like the previous president with Joe Biden. Now with Donald Trump's second term is just the same as Joe Biden's inflation. Now it's Donald Trump's inflation with the gas price going up. Yep. Anyway, I'm here to do my second drop off for Lunchdrop Tuesday. Just gonna end this content here.